IBM InfoSphere Master Data Management, upgrading to MDM version 11.6 feature pack. In Master Data Management, what is a feature pack? From Master Data Management version 11.6, new features and enhancements are provided as feature packs. You can upgrade from Master Data Management version 11.6 or any other feature pack on Master Data Management version 11.6 to the recent feature pack. We call this methodology as continuous delivery. It is also possible to upgrade from a Master Data Management version 11.5 instance to Master Data Management version 11.6 feature pack. This support is available from MDM version 11.602. It is possible to directly install MDM version 11.6 feature packs, and install and upgrade are supported on all platforms. What are the benefits obtained by this upgrade feature? When you upgrade to a feature pack, you need not install MDM again on a new WebSphere application server profile and database. All that you have to do is extract MDM using the installation manager and run a target. This target updates the database, the MDM operational server applications, and the user interface applications to the new feature pack that has been applied. This is less time consuming and makes it easy to leverage new features in MDM. Interesting. Are there any prerequisites to be performed before upgrading to a feature pack? Yes, you need to take a backup of the custom applications that are applied in the form of bundles and are attached to the enterprise business application from the WebSphere application server profile. Also, you need to take a backup of the folders work and conf from the virtual MDM application. This application is available under the WAS profile in the installed apps folder with name as native.ear. I see. Can we have a look at the upgrade process? Sure. Open the installation manager and add the repository details corresponding to MDM version 11.6 feature pack. Feature pack 11.605 has been released recently. Select the option Install. Remember, the installation has to be done in a new package group. Provide a value for the installation directory. The option InfoSphere MDM Upgrade has to be selected at the Install Packages panel. The only input that the upgrade operation requests you is the WAS profile directory. Please remember, the value you provide here should correspond to the WAS profile where you have installed the older version of MDM. Once you provide this value, you can click on Next and then proceed to install. The installation manager will then extract the product at the directory that you have specified at the IAM. It is also possible to perform this extraction using the installation manager in silent mode. How will MDM then know the details on my application server and database? Let me take you to a location where I have already extracted MDM version 11.5 using the method just explained. After the installation manager completes extraction, a madconfig target, upgrade _ master data management has to be invoked. You need to go to the MDM install directory, MDS scripts folder, and invoke this target. The target requests you the value of the install location corresponding to the older MDM installation. Once you provide this as input, it reads the configuration details from the properties folder at that location, and it then takes the password values as input from the user. Now, let us switch to a log file that contains further details on the execution of this target. As we just mentioned, the target takes the installation location of an older MDM version. It processes the configuration files, the files that hold details on the features that have been installed and other property files, and places them in the new installation directory, the directory which we have mentioned in the IM as the folder to hold the MDM upgrade. It obtains the passwords from the user corresponding to the application server and the database and any user interfaces that have been installed, and proceeds with upgrading the virtual MDM DB and the physical MDM DB. It then proceeds to upgrade the MDM engine. It performs this by uninstalling and installing the applications one by one. So if you notice here, you can see that the native engine is being uninstalled and installed again. The same process happens for other applications, including the enterprise business application. Once it completes uninstall and install of the applications, it moves to the user interfaces. It had got an idea of the user interfaces that have been installed based on the configuration files in the MDM older version properties folder. So it starts to uninstall and install each user interface that has been selected for installation. Once it completes this operation, it restarts the application server and it executes the IVT. So after this process, the end user has to apply back the customizations. Yes, the end user has to add the custom bundles back to MDM operational server after this target completes execution. I have a query here. The properties file in MDM version 11.5 are in a different format than in 11.6. Does Upgrade Master Data Management take care of moving these properties too? Oh yes, it does. When the older MDM version is 11.5, it reads properties from files app.properties, db.properties, and the property files corresponding to the user interfaces installed. It then creates files mdm_install.properties and mdm_config.properties in the MDM new feature pack directory under the folder properties and loads them with appropriate property names and values. Now, how do I uninstall the older version of MDM? As part of execution of the Upgrade_Master Data Management, the properties files in the MDM older instance that hold details on the application and database status are updated to indicate that MDM is uninstalled. You only have to uninstall the older version of MDM through the installation manager. Please remember, you should not invoke uninstall_MDM from the older version installation directory, as this may uninstall the database and the applications. Thank you.